Pasting one variant of a component shouldn't make Figma drag the whole component along, but that's how it can feel today. We fixed that and a bunch of other things on the copy-paste path. Hi, I'm Diane, an engineer at Figma focused on performance. Copy and paste sounds like a solved problem until you're working in a real production use case. A component can have hundreds of states, and a frame can be full of nested instances. We've heard that in some cases, copy and paste can take up to seconds. So we put in some work, and here are 3 changes I want to highlight. The biggest one is state group rehydration. State groups are how a component carries all of its variants, every size, theme, and breakpoint. The problem is, when you copy one used variant, Figma used to copy all of them. Now, copy writes only the variants you actually use, and paste fills in the rest in the background from the files published to copy in S3. On a component with over 1,000 states, paste went from 2 seconds to 400 milliseconds. Copy went from 700 plus milliseconds to about 15 times faster. The work you feel is fast, and we handled the details behind the scenes. Second, we stripped expensive observers off the copy path. Every node you copy used to drag along a chain of subscriptions and dependency walks that copy didn't actually need. We cleaned those up so even if you're not working in giant components, the long-tail copies that used to make Figma feel like it was dragging should be noticeably lighter. Third, we made paste feel faster, not just be faster. We made 2 changes. We deferred the heavy bookkeeping that runs after paste, so the pasted content appears on your canvas sooner, even when total paste time is the same. The moment of arrival is earlier, and on heavy paste, the loading spinner now shows up faster, so you know that Figma heard you. We built these changes for the real-life headaches you've been working with, the complex files with components with hundreds of variants, the one with all of your product screens. That's all for today, but there's more coming. Let us know in the comments what you'd like to see next.